The right entry will come if you will understand the factors that are driving price down and if you will recognize when those factors are done. It's a good time to invest in crypto. So, this is probably a question that a lot of people have, and I would like to give my views and my answer on this question. Now, before I go ahead and start, I just want to remind everybody, this is not a financial advice, and I'm not a financial advisor. Everything that I'm saying in this video is just my own opinion and my own way of analyzing the market and sharing with you how I see it. Please don't take any financial decisions based on what you see in this video. Take financial decisions only when you did your own research and you are sure about the action you're about to take. So, is it a good time right now to start investing in crypto? We can look at it in a couple of angles. First of all, we need to understand what's driving the current momentum in the market. Why is the market going down right now? Markets are going down right now because dollar is very, very strong. The DXY is continued to strengthen and is just continued to rise up in price. Now, everybody asks, what makes the dollar go up? The reason that the dollar is going up like that, it's because of the interest rate hikes. There is interest that is being increased on the dollar month to month. Yesterday, we saw another increase of 75 basis points. The month before, we saw another increase of 75 basis points. And we also know from the Federal Open Market Committee that they will continue to increase until the end of the year. So, if we know that increasing the interest rates on the dollar make the dollar go up and by that make all the other markets crash down, is it a good time to invest? Most of the people always think about the bottom and they want to catch the bottom, right? Now, this is something that is almost impossible because nobody really knows where it is. With that, if you know how to look at the different factors, you can guesstimate around where it's going to be. So what are the factors that you need to look at? And this is what I want to share with you. The factors that you need to look at, it's not if there is a lot of hype about crypto or a lot of talk about Bitcoin or MicroStrategy is buying 600 million worth of Bitcoin and all of those different Twitter gurus, YouTube gurus that tell you that right now it's the right time to buy because of the different technical analysis and all of those things. That's not what's gonna determine the bottom and that's not what's gonna give you the right entry. The right entry will come if you will understand the factors that are driving price down and if you will recognize when those factors are done. What I'm trying to say is that in order for you to find the bottom, you have to wait for the rate hikes to slow down or stop. The way I'm seeing it, we already know how much interest is planned to be raised by the end of the year because the FOMC exposed it for us. So we understand that right now there is 100 basis points more to be increased. And we understand that we have 2 months left of increases. Means that they can either do 75 basis points next month and 25 basis points the month after, or they could do 50 basis points and 50 basis points. Now, the reason I'm saying there is 2 months more because we're always getting it for a month ahead. So yesterday we got the interest rate increase for October. So we have November and December left. Now, the way that it looks like is that we either gonna get, like I said, 75 basis points next month and then 25 basis points the month after, or we're gonna get 50 basis points and 50 basis points. Both scenarios are good. Why are they good? Simple. If we're getting 50 basis points next month, it means that there is a decrease in the interest rate hikes, which this is a very, very positive thing for the market because when everybody will see it, dollars will stop strengthening and more money will be start pulling in to the stock market and the crypto market. Now, in case they will decide to do 75 basis points and then 25, then we know that we have another big rate hike next month, which might influence the market in some way or another, but not too much because it's already going to be priced in. But then we know that December, we're getting a 25 basis point, which is much, much lower than what we are used to of 75, which this will rally the market for sure. So the way that I'm seeing it, we're either gonna see a rally this month, expecting to have a 50 basis point next month, because we will expect the FOMC to cut down equally between the 2 months, the 100 basis point they have left. Or we're just gonna see the market ranging this month, get the 75 basis point, and then starting the rally. Because everybody understands that the FOMC have only 25 points left to increase on December. So if you're asking me right now for accumulation, dollar cost averaging, really, really good time. But if you are trading with leverage and you have to make sure that you have the most precise entry point, wait for the next FOMC meeting. Again, this was not a financial advice. This is just what I'm doing. Thank you very much, and I'll see you in the next one.